Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, I'm going to show you my experience of using Taja. Basically, it is a video automation tool which really helps me out in my daily video creation process, and wanted to show you guys how it can help you as well. There is a good lifetime deal going around. It's just came back on a lifetime deal. That's why I wanted to jump and share my experience, because I truly believe this is one of the good tool if you have that use case for it. Okay, let me show you. This is the dashboard. Before going into the dashboard, I wanted to show you a couple of stuff. So you can see I have connected my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, everything is connected. And let me show you what it does automatically. So I have set up my Taja. So I create one main video and it automatically will help me to write a title, description, tags, and cut necessary portions of my video, and automatically schedule and publish in my all my social media channels. So you can see in my Tamil YouTube channel, you can see how automatically it's going every single day with views, comments. So it's a really good way to keep your channel activated as well. So this is the views I get, and all these videos are created using that. And similar with my Facebook data also. So you can see all the views, second views, 1 minute views. So if I go back, you can see all these data are coming from my Facebook Tamil channel, which is all our created videos through Taja. So similar to that, if I also open up my Instagram, you can see the views count, the non-follower, all these things are created by Taja. So this is what I personally use it. There are so many features of this tool, but this is something which is very easy for me and effective for me to create these kind of shots. Now let me go you and show you the important stuff of the stores. So first you can see automatically you get the dashboard, you can upload the files automatically, and this is where the everything will take place. So when you upload your video file locally or give a YouTube channel to optimize, or sorry, or YouTube video to optimize, you will see all the different videos here automatically. So once it started, it will keep on saying processing, then it will say once it's ready. So once it's ready, basically if you click on any of the video which is already done, you can see similar to this. So it will give me the YouTube structure. So you can see publish to YouTube, all the things. Something which I really like to do, since if you are only recording your face, then the job becomes easy, because the uh, Taja itself can resize the video and focus on your face. But let's say, for example, someone like me who does uh, tutorials with screen share and everything, then I automatically resize that video according to the shots and I import it into Taja. That way it can create much more effective videos for me, and it will also give me all the titles I should be using for the video. I can choose whichever the one, and it will be automatically updated in my channel. You can see the descriptions, it shows, it brings the chapters automatically, it brings tags automatically, it all does all these things from the transcript, which is amazing work, so be honest, because one click you can get all the necessary data and you can just publish the video. It's directly from here itself. Or if you go into this is where my favorite part of this tool comes into play, where for one main video upload, depending on your plan, it will able to generate these cool shots automatically. So you can see the title is given, description is, I mean the description is given, tags are given, and also you can download, and you can see these are scheduled, which means today is 7th, it is scheduled to be go live on 10th. So from the video, from the title, everything is automation, like even the editing of this, creation of this, and also automatically scheduling this, everything is automatic. So 10th it is will go live. You do have the option to schedule it. I can view this, so let me do this, and you can see it automatically says these are, I didn't select the timeline manually, it automatically knew which are the good section to take it out from the video. So you can see secret out to SEO recovery, master AI SEO, topical cluster, so a lot of stuff. You can see all the things. For one video, depending on your plan, it can range basically on your video from 5 to 15. You do all the option to download it in case you want this locally. It will give you a score. You can also edit these text if you want. You can do that. And when you go into the publish mode also, you can edit it. You can select the platform to publish now or schedule it as I have done, or you can, in case if there are some mistakes here, you can go into edit screen and you can see all the things. Like for example, you have the control over the title, subtitle design and transcript, and you can also edit this. Like if you don't want something like that, you can keep on editing like this at the front, at the back. Very useful, all these things. So once you done, you just click on publish. If you want to generate more also, you can use this feature as well. This is the most used tab for me. Then you have something called clips. If you have more than 30 minutes of video, the concept is, let's say for example, you record podcast style or virtual talking like this with 30 minutes, you can find really good 2 to 15 minutes of content, which can be a good long tail subject area as well. So if you want to find those ideas automatically with the optimized title, description, all those things ready to be published in social media, then this section will really help you out as well. Then you do have the option where as soon as you upload, it will create a blog post directly from here. You can see the quality is not 100%. It is more like a companion piece. So if you want to keep something up as a blog post, you will want to do like this. But from me recently in my SEO penalty recovery case study, I told like I'm no longer using this, I'm going to be using another method. So that is what I personally do, but this option is available for you. You do have the control to do various stuff with that as also. Then you do get LinkedIn post and X post, like a thread, and threads post as well. You can also publish all these things from here itself. So that is the main feature of this tool. And once you start, like you can see I'm using it a lot. So once you do the content calendar, like once you start doing the scheduling, you do get access to like see the data within the content calendar. So you can see this is my content calendar look like. So you can see I started using on 21st, and all the videos which got scheduled and automatically published, it will show me. And even today some scheduled videos are going into my Tamil YouTube channel, and up to 10th I have scheduled everything. So every 10th, like every time I create a main video, I use Taja to create several shorts video which can go automatically for like next to 4 to 5 days, where in that videos my goal is to not to get the short views, but make the short views more like an awareness campaign and bring a lot of visitor to my main YouTube videos. So that is my goal here. And we do have the option for brand kit options are here, where you can set up all the different brands here. You can see different channel. I have different brand kit, like I can have a custom logo in my shorts, I can have a citation. So default this kind of things will be done, and I can also add a description link, which I should add, I haven't added so far. Thumbnail setting, like I told, it can create YouTube thumbnails automatically as well. So you can see it's saying like what kind of thumbnail you want to create for YouTube video. You can add your video, so you can add your image, so it can be used while creating this thumbnail also. And within the profile section, you do have the control of within the profile section, you do have the control of linking to all the social media platform, connecting more. TikTok I haven't connected. Apart from that, you can say I have connected all those things. So that is what Taja does. It basically turns any video you create, the publishing process very smooth. At the same time, it will help you to schedule and create shorts, clips and everything in a fully automatic way. I've been using this tool and it's so far really good for me, at least for my results and my use case. So do check out, guys, if you are interested. There is a good lifetime deal. I will leave the link in the description. So if you wish, you can check it out with the best offer. And if you have any doubts, let me know. I'll help you out as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.